Are most celebrities set for life financially? That's one of the biggest lies you've been sold. Fame does not equal wealth. And if you don't understand how the system is built, fame will leave you broke. Artists don't sign record deals. They sign loans. The label acts like a bank. You get the advance, but everything comes out of your budget. Music videos, clothes, tour buses, security, private flights. And that $1 million advance, they know most artists will never recoup it. It's designed that way. You ever wonder why you see stars still touring at 70? It's not just for the love of the music. Most are trapped by bad deals, poor money management, and bloated lifestyles. Fame gives the illusion. But when the label owns your masters, your publishing, and even takes cuts from your merch, touring is the only way left to make real money. Lawyers, agents, managers, too many are working for the corporations, not the artists. Why? Because the label will be here longer than you. If they help you, they make money now. If they help the label, they stay on the payroll for years. This is why so many creators are backdoored, outnegotiated, and left broke, even after global fame. Here's the part they never teach you, and this is where your power really starts. If you're a creator, you need to start looking at everything you make as intellectual property. That album, that song, that music video, that voiceover, that merch drop, it's not just content, it's IP. And when you start thinking this way, you stop chasing fame, and you start building a business. Now listen carefully, this is the blueprint. If you're working with a team, your producers, your managers, they are also individual companies. And you can merge together to create purpose-built companies. If you're producing, you can form a production company LLC. If you're a performer, you can form an entertainment production LLC. If you're selling music, you can form a publishing company LLC. Once you have your LLCs, the next move is open business banking accounts for each LLC. Build your business plan. Define what your company will do and how you'll grow. Set up vendor accounts under your LLC. This builds your business credit. Deposit money monthly and avoid negative marks. This builds your credit score. At the same time, work on your personal credit too. Fix it. Clean it up. Because when you build both in parallel, in under 12 months you can access $150,000 in loans and credit. Lease equipment, property, vehicles through your business, not your personal name. Expand your operations with real leverage. Instead of chasing a record deal so you can flex and buy liabilities, you'll be buying assets, you'll own property, you'll have true business lines, you'll know your overhead, you'll invest based on growth, not emotion. But here's the thing. This level of movement requires administration, structure. That's why so many artists fail. They want the fame, but they don't want to do the paperwork. At 369 Admin Group, we built this to help you administer your IP, so you can think, build, and move like a company, not an employee. This is why we built 369 Admin Group, not to chase playlists or radio, not to chase the same systems that were designed to leave you broke. We built this to give creators ownership, structure, and the tools to move independently. Because if you don't build your own system, the industry will keep building one on your back. And trust me, they will eat first, every time. Join the platform built for creators, not built on them. Protect your IP, build your business. Stop chasing a game that was never designed to let you win. This is 369 Admin Group. We don't chase gatekeepers, we build the system.